Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to insert a cover page in MS Word. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to add a professional-looking cover page to any document in seconds. So, let's get started. First, open MS Word on your computer. Now, go to the Insert tab at the top menu. Here, click on the Cover Page option. You will see many different designs. Now, choose any cover page you like. Once it's added, you can edit everything on it. If you want to change the description, just click and type. If you want to change the name, title, or even the picture, you can edit all elements easily. And now, your cover page is customized, and that's it. You've learned how to insert a cover page in MS Word. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more MS Word tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.